Hey, welcome back to Joe's Motoventure. Those of you that have followed the channel for a while, I think I owe you an apology. I took some time off, kind of unannounced. I hit a spot with work and personal life and all that where I just wasn't riding. I wasn't really working on much because I didn't have the time. So I haven't posted since August, and it's now late December, so this video probably won't come out till January. But I'm gonna get back on track and try to stay to uploading videos regularly. Okay, so if you've been following the channel, you know last winter I put heated grips on my 24 Road Glide, and they're great. I love them. But if you saw that video, I went for a ride and it was like 30 something degrees outside, and the backs of my fingers still got cold, obviously. And I talked about getting hand guards. Well, I've been putting it off, and now it's winter time again, and I'm wishing I had them. Well, a friend just gave me a pair. So these are used. They're Memphis shades hand guards. They're exactly the ones that I was going to purchase, and he gave them to me, so that was cool. This is a really simple install. I'm not going to actually show you me putting them on, but they just go on your mirror mounts. I have my mirrors flipped on my bike. Normally they would be like this on the Road King, but there's one important thing to look at when you order these. Basically you need to know if you have a hydraulic clutch or a regular clutch. So if you notice on my bike how close this mirror bolt is to the center line of the handlebars, on the brake lever it's a lot further away, right? So these I have a long bracket and a short bracket, and that's what that's for. So long bracket goes on the clutch side and the short bracket goes on the brake side. Now on my wife's Road King, she has obviously the same setup on the brake side. She already has Memphis shade handguards, and she has a hydraulic clutch, so it's you know, the same distance away as the brake side is, and it's a short bracket. So when you order them, make sure you order, you know, for whatever your setup is. And then with hers being a Road King special, the lights are mounted up here on the bars, and there's a cutout for those. So alright guys, all you need is a 1/2 inch socket. Normal setup, this would be on the bottom. Take that off. Your bracket goes on top of the controls. As you see here on the Road King, the bracket's on top. And that's it. You put it all back together. One little nuance that I found out, a 3/8 drive 1/2 inch socket won't fit down in between that nut and the brake reservoir. But a 1/4 inch drive socket did fit, so something to pay attention to. But they're on, they look great. Let's take this thing for a ride. So I'm cruising around. It's 42 degrees, so it's not super cold, but it's pretty chilly, and you know, a bit above the speed limit, and I don't feel anything on the back of my hand, so that's really good. Like I said, I already kind of expected that. My wife's Road King has these same hand guards on it. I'm gonna have to get used to, with, you know, my big hands catching this, but I think I'll get used to it pretty quick. But yeah, I like them. They're great. I think these Memphis shade ones are some of the better looking ones out there. There's a lot of cheaper ones, you know, you can get them on Amazon for very inexpensive, but they're like just thin metal. And it's funny that, you know, the plastic ones actually look more finished. They've got the gloss finish on the outside, so they kind of fit any bike. But anyhow, I'm super happy with them. I'm even happier that I got them for free. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned. I'm actually on my way to my local dealership right now to do some test rides, so I will have some test ride videos coming out in the next few weeks.